If you clicked on this video, you're probably at a crossroads. Maybe you've been praying for something for months or years, and you're wondering, is it time to give up? I want you to know this. This message found you for a reason. I know you're tired. Tired of hoping. Tired of believing. Tired of holding on when your heart keeps breaking. You've been faithful. You've waited. You've kept showing up, even when nothing showed up for you. The silence is loud. The waiting feels endless. And some nights, you wonder if God even remembers you. But listen. God has not forgotten you. Not a single prayer has fallen on deaf ears. Not a single tear has gone unnoticed. He saw every sleepless night. He held you in every breakdown. He never left, not once. What you think is a delay is divine preparation. God isn't denying your breakthrough. He's perfecting it. Because what He's preparing for you is too sacred to be rushed. Isaiah 40 verse 31 says, "Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength." Not those who gave up. Not those who walked away. But those who waited. Your waiting is not wasted time. It's sacred time, where your roots grow deeper, where your faith is refined, where your soul becomes unshakable. You're not late. You're not too far gone. You're not too broken to be chosen. You're right on time. Exactly where God needs you. Becoming who you were always meant to be. God. For everyone listening right now, remind them that their story isn't over. Remind them that their breakthrough is on its way. That your timing is perfect. And that tonight, they are seen. They are held. They are loved. Amen.